Here's a Keychron V2, 5 years old from 2019. Got it off of Facebook Marketplace, 60 bucks Canadian. It's all right. You can switch between Windows and Mac profiles over here, which I think just swaps the Alt and Super key. It's got Bluetooth and hardwired support. And the Bluetooth is kind of nice because you just hit function 1, 2, 3, and you can select up to 3 Bluetooth profiles. I'll go hardwired for now. I like having the wireless option, but nice little welcome animation. It's pretty cool. Love the shine through keycaps. Shouldn't have to be notable. I mean, but a lot of these backlit keyboards, which I really like the backlights, but the backlights are sort of hindered by the usually shipping with not shine through keycaps. I don't know why. I don't know why that would be a thing, but it is. I like the non-distracting LEDs. These are just white ones on this unit. Some of these are RGB, but if I hit this a bunch of times, it'll switch to distracting animations. But I'll show you what this old rickety keyboard sounds like. It's kind of worn out springs in there or something, but I mean they're all replaceable, so whatever. But I'll type a little bit here. So. So that gives you a sense of what that sounds like. It's pretty cool. This might be my favorite board. I've tried a handful, and it's compact, but it's not too compact, and it's minimal, but not that minimal. I don't know. It's just good, and I really like the shine through keycaps, and like I've picked up a bunch of these boards, and this is the only one with shine through keycaps. Everything else I'd have to go replace the keycaps, which is kind of silly because, it should just ship that way. But here, how do I touch the LED thing there? I crank out this, oh, it's in there really good. I'm a little bit afraid I'm going to hurt this thing by cranking this out. This is a Gateron. Okay, I'm just going to leave it. This is a Gateron Brown in there. I don't want to crank too hard while I'm screwing around making a video and make a project for myself, but I've taken them up before. I just got the angle wrong or something. Yeah, anyways, that's all. Well, I was doing like an animation because I hit that button. But it's cool.